Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a collage on Instagram story. First, open your Instagram app. From here, tap on your story on the top right and then select Add Story. Now tap on Camera. After that, tap on Layout on the left. Then tap on Gallery on the bottom left. After that, choose the pictures that you want to add. After that, go to Gallery again, and now choose another picture. This way, you can add 4 pictures at once, or you can select a different layout to add more pictures. So just add as many pictures as you want. Once you're done, just tap on the tick mark in the middle. And your collage is now ready. After that, you can choose to save it or share it to your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.